Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're counting down the top 10 most popular pet birds. Large and colorful, they are known for their intelligence and social nature. Quaker parrot are social and playful, they are known for their charming personalities. Known for their playful nature and ability to talk, they require plenty of social interaction. Small and colorful, they are often kept in pairs or groups. Known for their beautiful singing, they come in various colors and types. African gray parrots are highly intelligent and known for their ability to mimic speech. Similar to budgies, they come in various colors and are social birds. Small and affectionate, these birds are known for their strong pair bonds. Cockatiel, known for their friendly nature and distinctive crest, they are great companions. Budgerigar or budgie, small, colorful, and friendly, they are one of the most popular pet birds.